Hey guys, welcome back to another video, Past Papers 101 with Miss Edwards. Today we'll be looking at the Cape Environmental Science Unit 2, Paper 1, May-June 2019. Remember, this paper consists of 45 multiple choice questions, 15 questions coming from each module. Module 1, Agriculture and the Environment, Module 2, Energy and the Environment, and Module 3, Pollution and the Environment. So let's get straight to these questions. Question 1. Which of the following are advantages of the use of technology in agriculture? The answer is A. Production of healthier crops and production increase. 2. Which of the following soil types has the greatest permeability? B. Sand. The use of inorganic fertilizers causes environmental problems because they D. Are quickly leached out of the soil by rain. 4. Which of the following is an important feature of ecological integrity in the practice of sustainable agriculture? C. Resources are used in a manner to minimize the loss of nutrients, energy, and biomass. Question 5. Sewage sludge would be unfit for use as fertilizer if it is contaminated with D. Heavy metals. 6. Which of the following is not associated with organic farming? D. Soil salinization. 7. Which of the following practices are features of sustainable agriculture? C. Crop rotation and integrated pest management. 8. A farmer collects spoiled tomatoes and uses them to feed his pigs. This sustainable agricultural practice is known as post-harvest management. D. 9. Which of the following is most likely the direct result of a lack of genetic diversity in a food crop such as corn? D. Increased susceptibility to plant diseases. 10. Which form of soil degradation may be caused by capillary action? The answer is C. Waterlogging. 11. Which of the following are features of intensive aquaculture? B. High fish densities and high water demand. 12. Land space is becoming less available for agriculture. To gain high yields in relatively small areas, farmers should practice C. Intensive farming. Item 13 refers to the results illustrated in the following figure. The results were obtained by students investigating the components of a 500-gram sample of soil taken from 4 different locations. What is the percentage of sand in the soil sample at location 2? The answer is B. 20. 14. The most likely reason for the increase in the price of tomatoes during the rainy season is that B. Farmers lose their crops due to flooding. 15. Which farm has the highest yield per unit area farmed? The answer is C. Which of the following illustrates the term potential energy? Question 16. D. A body due to its position. 17. Which of the following primary energy sources can be regarded as non-renewable? D. Nuclear fission and fusion. 18. A photovoltaic cell converts light energy directly to C. Electrical energy. 19. An environmental hazard associated with the use of nuclear energy is the production of A. Toxic waste. 20. Which of the following does not contribute to an increase in energy efficiency? C. The use of heavier materials in the manufacturing of motor vehicles. 21. Water produced from the turbines in an electricity generation plant may be pumped into natural waterways. This occurrence is referred to as B. Thermal pollution. 22. Which of the following countries are most likely to be P, Q, R, and S respectively, based on the graph? The answer is A. 23. Which of the following parts contains the electrolyte? The answer is IV. 24. A house designed with windows to make maximum use of sunlight for heating is an example of the use of D. Passive solar energy. 25. The function of the part labeled 2 on the diagram is to convert C. kinetic energy to electrical energy. 26. What energy conversion occurs when a person applies the brakes and then a car stops? C. Kinetic to potential energy. 27. An incandescent light bulb used for lighting has an efficiency rate of 5%. For every 1 joule of electric energy consumed by this bulb, how much light energy is produced? The answer is A. 0.05 joule. The general trend shown in the graph is that D. The demand for renewable energy will continue to increase. 28. 29. The graph shows that there will be a greater demand for fossil fuels than for renewable energy. Item 30 refers to the following pie charts, which illustrate the various use of energy sources in 4 countries. Question: which country is most likely to produce long-lived hazardous waste? The answer is A, due to the nuclear power. 31. Which of the following is not a parameter that is used to monitor water quality? The answer is mass per unit volume of liquid. 32. The treaty negotiated in 1982 to establish a comprehensive set of rules to govern the oceans is called B. UNCLOS. 33. Which of the following pairs of equations represents the destruction of ozone? CF2Cl2 plus HV gives you CF2Cl plus Cl. Cl plus O3 or ozone gives you ClO plus O2A. 34. Accelerated eutrophication in streams, lakes, and bays will result from the introduction of B. Phosphates. 35. The persistence of a pollutant is related to its ability to D. Remain in soil without breaking down. 36. Photochemical smog is formed when A. Nitrogen oxides react with volatile organic compounds in the presence of heat and sunlight. 37 and 38 refer to the following experiment. A group of students carried out an experiment to determine which area of their school had the largest amount of suspended particulate matter. 3 petri dishes were coated with petroleum jelly and secured at a height of 3 meters above the ground in 3 different areas of the school grounds as described in the table below. Which dish would most likely have been placed on the lawn? B. 2. Which dish would most likely have been placed on the indoor tennis court? D. 4. Item 39 refers to the following diagram, which shows a biogeochemical cycle of lead and its pathway to humans. The organism at A are C. Phytoplankton. Item 40 refers to the following graph, which shows the temperature changes over a 1,000-year period. What is the approximate difference in temperature between the year 1000 and 2000? The answer is 0.1 degrees Celsius. (41) A sample of water from a stream showed distinct cloudiness. This would most likely be due to high TSS or total suspended solids. 42. Which of the following are effects of an oil spill? The answer is inhibits the ability of aquatic birds to find food, reduces the ability of aquatic birds to fly, and increases biochemical oxygen demand. So D, all 3. 43. On which day was the pollutant most likely accidentally introduced into the river? As referred to by the graph shown at 43, the answer would be C, on day 4. 44. Which of the following are disadvantages of incineration? The answer would be large amounts of heat energy required, very costly, and large land space required. 45. Which of the following test is most suitable for assessing the water quality of a body of water used mainly for recreation? And answer would be A, a fecal coliform. Alright guys, that's the end of this paper, the Environmental Science, May-June, paper 1, 2019. Please remember to like this video and to subscribe to this channel for more papers. Make suggestions in the comments of papers that you would like to see, and all the best on your exam.